It started with a joke. Your camera sucks, my coworker Jake said.
Every morning, my laptop's built-in webcam made me look like a blurry ghost from 2005.
So after way too much research, I bought the best webcam I could afford. 4K resolution, AI tracking, gesture controls, you name it.
It was supposed to make video calls easier. Instead, it made my life a nightmare. The moment I plugged it in, it felt different. The camera moved on its own, not much, just a slight tilt, like it was adjusting itself. Weird, but whatever.
On my next call, the video was insanely sharp, too sharp. Whoa dude, did you get a makeover? Jake asked. No. Then he frowned. Wait, who's behind you?
I froze. I lived alone. My heart slammed against my ribs as I turned around. Nothing. Just my bookshelf, my window, my perfectly normal apartment.
There is no one here, I said. Jake chuckled. Guess your new cam is just too good. Probably just a shadow. I laughed it off.
But that night, as I was shutting down my computer, the camera light flicked on, just for a second. I told myself it was a glitch, a random bug, nothing to worry about. I was wrong.
The next day, I noticed something strange. The webcam wasn't just tracking me during the calls. It moved when I wasn't even using it. A slight shift here, a tiny tilt there, like it was following something I couldn't see. I unplugged it and it solved the problem, or so I thought.
That night, I woke up to a soft click. My computer screen was on. The webcam light was glowing. I wasn't even at my desk. I grabbed the webcam and threw it in a drawer, slammed it shut, unplugged my entire PC just to be safe.
The next Monday, I checked my webcam software. The activity log showed recordings, dozens of them. Videos taken in the middle of night, videos of me sleeping.